Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert watermark in Microsoft Excel. It's pretty simple. Go to Insert tab, Text, Header and Footer, and on the ribbon you can see we have this option Picture. Go to Picture, choose your logo or picture or whatever you want to insert. I'm going to insert this Tech Time logo. Click Insert and now click Outside. And you can see our logo is too large to be accommodated on this page. In order to make it smaller so that it could fit the size of the paper, click again over here, go to Format Picture, and here you can decrease its size. Let me make it 4 by 4. Click OK, and there you go. But if you see, it is not in the middle of the page. Insert your cursor right behind this ampersand sign and press Enter. Click Outside, and there you go. Let me bring it back a little. I think that's enough. Now it is in the center of the sheet. Let me zoom it out a little. You can see it's too conspicuous that some of the data is really hard to be read. In order to make it less conspicuous and a little faded, click over here, go to Header and Footer, again Format Picture, Picture, and in this image control you have the option of color that is automatic right now. Right click this down arrow and go to Washout, click OK, and there you go. Let me zoom it up. I think you can see it's right over there, but too faded, and that is what we were looking for. If you click on this normal tab, you won't see it. But if you click over here, you would see it. And in the print preview, you will be able to see it more clearly. Let me go to print preview by clicking Ctrl P. And there you go. You can see it's still there. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.